ABB is a truly innovative company that is pioneering technologies to contribute to changing the world.
At ABB, we have the aim to run the world without consuming the earth.
And we, as a technology leader, we're trying to make an impact as the world moves its energy source to electrically driven mobility.
ABB is a pioneering technology leader that serves utilities, industry, and transport and infrastructure customers all around the world.
Our collaborative robots work hand in hand with humans. We are automating your homes, and we are providing EV fast charging stations.
Electromobility is what ABB believes as the future preferred method of transportation. And we are very happy that we had the privilege to support ABB Formula E in electrical, e-charging and e-mobility car race.
When you look at the impact of technology, and especially now digitalization, it offers tremendous opportunities for our customers to drive productivity and employment, and for ABB to drive profitable growth.
Customers are a big driver actually of the industrial revolutions because their demand and what they need are driving us to act fast and deliver solutions.
We want to grow, we want to drive execution, and we want to collaborate better. So in simple terms, more, better, together. The partnership with Salesforce is right in the center of this.
We differentiate ourselves to our customers by, first of all, listening to them. And then, of course, acting fast on what they tell us. Salesforce is a tremendous tool to help us to do exactly that.
Before we used to go on a siloed approach to the customer. Now we have a 360 view of what the needs of the customer are.
Today we have 28,000 employees in the marketing and sales organization on the Salesforce platform.
Whether they are field service engineers or salespeople, we are able to not only document but also address the needs of the customer. Now that's a much richer experience and a much tighter connection to the customer's challenges and solutions rather than just calling them up and say, what are you looking for from ABB?
We want to have zero distance between the customer and the salespeople. Salesforce really helps us on that and is a very important centerpiece of value creation for our customers, for our shareholders and for our people.